In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for web design clients projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, repeatable workflow that keeps your projects moving forward and your clients in the loop. Let's begin by setting up the project. Start a new project for each client so their tasks stay focused and easy to track. If you run similar projects often, build or choose a template so you're not reinventing the wheel each time. A solid template includes phases like onboarding, strategy, design, development, and launch. For a clear visual workflow, switch to the board view. Set up columns that mirror your stages, such as to do, in progress, and needs client feedback. Next, break each phase into individual tasks and call out major moments as milestones. Use subtasks when you need to capture smaller, actionable details under a larger task. Finally, assign due dates so everyone can see what's happening and when. Deadlines help set expectations and surface bottlenecks before they become problems. Now, let's organize and manage client work. Group related tasks into sections that reflect your process, such as client onboarding, content gathering, and design revisions. This makes it easy to scan and understand where things stand at a glance. Add clarity by categorizing tasks with custom fields or tags. Labels like client feedback needed, internal, or awaiting approval help the team and client know what action is required. Keep communication inside each task using the comment area. Ask questions, capture decisions, and note approvals right where the work lives so nothing gets lost in email threads. Attach relevant files directly to the task, briefs, mockups, and design assets so your project remains a single source of truth. Finally, manage client access thoughtfully. Invite your client to the project using the share or invite button and enter their email address. Set their permission level to viewer. This prevents accidental changes to your project structure while still allowing them to follow progress and read comments. Let them know how the project is organized and where to focus. Explain that they can track updates, review attachments, and leave feedback in the comments while your team handles the day-to-day task management. That's the workflow. Create your project or template, organize tasks clearly, communicate inside Asana, and give your client the visibility they need. With this setup, you'll streamline collaboration and deliver web design projects with confidence.